Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove the add to cart button for WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, make sure that you are on your admin panel in WordPress, and then we will need just to go to extension, and then we will need to search for an extension that would allow us to add this feature or disable it. And basically, uh, features to be added or disabled, you will need us to start uh, working with the code. But for uh, non-developers people, we need just to search for extensions or plugins that would do the work. So in this case, I'm just going to click add to cart button and search for ones that would hide it, etc. So as you can see, there is already ones like this custom add to cart button. And basically, it will allow you to customize uh, the add to cart button by either hiding it or customizing its form, colors, etc. and whatever you like. And basically, I'm going to do the same for the plugins, and I'm just going to search for a plugin that will do this work for me. And I'm just going to click on add a new plugin, and simply I'm just going to search for this one. And here we need just to find ones that would be suitable or that are made for WooCommerce. And those are the plugins that I have already found. And also you can start using Elementor or your site builder so you can delete and customize each part of the website. I already use an Astra, but you will need to have an upgraded version for this case. And basically you can just go to the payments page or the products page, and then you will need simply to remove or hide the plugin by the add to cart button by disabling it in the code or in your site builder, and simply you will be able to disable it. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.